You show up like, hi, my name is Susie Bake Oven, but you smell like eat me. You know what I'm saying?
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you...
Hey Wonderfros, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony, and if you are new here, then welcome to my corner of the YouTube universe. And if you're old here, then hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna be going over all of my favorite twisting butters and creams. Okay, well, twisting butters, y'all know I'm the twist out queen. Okay, I twist out 90% of the time. All right, so I'm saying they're twisting butters and creams, but really they could be used for braid outs, bantu knot outs. They're styling creams. I'm just always using them for twist outs. So I'm gonna be going over all of my favorites, y'all. Okay, and again, one of the reasons I'm doing this is because I've gained a lot of new subscribers lately, and I don't expect y'all to go back through all of my old videos. So I'm just gonna share it here and now, so we're all on the same page. Okay, we can continue growing and going. And it's Thursday, y'all. We're continuing right on with the week. The first styling cream that I have to share with you guys might surprise you, but it's one of the cheaper products that I use, and it's still very effective. It works all the way real good. If it ain't broke, don't try to fix it. It is the coconut curling cream from Canon. And this is cheap, effective, accessible. You get a lot of it, and I think Canon products smell good. I like them. I've gone through three or 4 days. I want to say three. We'll say three. And I always get it because I need something to fall back on. They also have travel size versions of these, which is great, but this stuff, it just works. Okay, it just works. And I know it's in the back of my hair closet. I might not use it often, but if I ever needed to default to something, right here. Next up, I have the Curls Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shout Cream. Y'all, I was too hyped. When I found out about this, I was too hyped. My twist out came out so popping, like you couldn't tell me nothing. I think My Natural Sisters, their channel, I started watching them, and they were the ones that told me about this. I want to say 2016, maybe. It had to be like 2016. It was a while ago. I've been using this for a long time. I think I'm halfway through with this one. It smells so good. I just love the smell of blueberries anyway. It smells so good. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. And this is definition for days. Forever. Definition forever. And I know y'all didn't think I was gonna leave Adwoa out of this one. No, no. No, ma'am. No, sir. It is their Biomint Curl Defining Cream. This stuff is everything. Everything. It works really, really good with their leave-in conditioner, but also on its own. If you didn't want anything as heavy as a leave-in conditioner, I also would consider this moisturizing. I do think it is very light, so if you don't want a lot of definition, I would reach for this. But again, I use this typically in combo with the leave-in from this line, and it's everything. It's everything. There aren't other words to describe the Adwoa line. They just do it all. They do it all. I think it has a lot of slip as well, so if you put it on your hair, you can kind of just like shoop, like your fingers just go straight through. So lots of slip with that, and it's a light hold. So if you want something stronger, use the leave-in with it, but I do really like the cream as well. And another one of my favorite curl defining creams is the Jane Carter Curl Defining Cream. This I found at the World Natural Hair Show last year. I discovered it. It didn't just come out. It wasn't a new launch or anything, but highly recommend this if you are looking for definition for your type 4 kinks and curls. I know this line from Jane Carter is more targeted towards curlier hair, but I think it's great. Like, just get it, try it. I think they do have sample sizes of everything in this line, and this whole line smells like summer to me. I've mentioned this before. Everything just smells like summer. It just smells like summer. I love it, and I highly recommend. And obviously I got the big size of it, so y'all know I'm serious. I've already gone through 2 of the smaller size ones. It's not cheap, y'all. It's not cheap, but it is worth it, and if you get the bigger size, this will last you. Another product that I really, really like is one of my favorites. It's new to the family. It's the Korea Botanicals Twist and Define Mango Cream. I really, really like this. This kind of has a tacky feeling. It's kind of sticky. So if you do not like your products like that, then don't get this. But the stickiness doesn't stay on your hair, which is great. And it smells just like mangoes. It smells like just like a freshly, if you want a mango smoothie, mango juice, like freshly squeezed straight from the mango itself on your island vacation, that's what this is. Okay, it smells so freaking good, but it's also really effective. Now this is only 4 ounces. You don't get a lot of it, but because it's tacky, I do think you don't need a lot of it either, and a little goes a long way. I don't think it distributes throughout your hair very evenly, like it doesn't move throughout your hair and travel well, but after you do get it on your whole strand, whatever, it does what it says it's gonna do. And I know that seems like, oh, that's kind of a lot, like why would I get this? But I do really like this. Like the tacky feeling doesn't stay, and afterwards your hair is just bomb. Like it's just bomb, and it's so cute. It's little, I don't know, I like it. I highly recommend. Next we have the Miche Beauty Twisting Butter, and I really do like this product as well. This is extremely moisturizing on its own. You guys know in my review I layered the products, but you don't have to layer this, like with nothing else. You don't have to. Don't do, in fact, don't do it, because I think you could definitely do a moisture overload situation if you did. This stands alone. She is strong, she stands alone, and it is a lot of moisture. So highly recommend this. You don't need anything else with it, not any oils. There's so many oils in here already. It's just great. It's just good. Just get it. Just get it. Miche Beauty, the brand is great. And another product that can stand alone, this one I discovered first, last but not least, is the Camille Rose Almond Joy Twisting Butter. This stuff is amazing. This also has a lot of oils in it, so you do not have to combine it with other oils. And it smells like a giant vanilla cookie. I don't know. A giant slice of like vanilla birthday cake. Vanilla icing. It smells so good. All of her products smell like bakery items to me, and they smell really good in your hair as well. A little seductive, sweet and seductive. You show up like, hi, my name is Susie Bake Oven, but you smell like, eat me. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, these products smell so good. This stands alone also, extremely moisturizing also, and defining. Now with this and the Miche Beauty, I don't think you're gonna get as much definition as you would with the Jane Carter or with the Curls Blueberry Bliss, but I don't think you get as much moisture with those other two as you do with these two. So you have to like pick and choose your battles, you know, not even really a battle, honestly. Listen to your hair, find out what it needs, and pick the best twisting, styling cream or whatever that you need to use for that wash day. Because y'all know, one thing about me, one good thing you will learn about me is that I'm an undercover lazy natural. Okay, I'll do my hair, I'll do the whole 2.5, 3 day hair process, but when I'm done, I'm done. I am not going to retwist my hair. I don't re-up. I don't re-nothing. After I'm done with it, I'm done with it. So all of these, when I say they stand alone, like I style my hair once that week and it will last me all the way up until my next wash day. Just point blank period, because I'm not gonna do anything else. But also all these products make me not have to. So I highly recommend all of them. Obviously, they're all of my favorites for different reasons, but if you have any of these, comment down below and let me know which one is your favorite. Actually, let me know which one you think lasts the longest, okay? What do you guys look for in creams? Do you look for definition or do you look for moisture? I think I mostly look for definition, but it can't be defined and dry. You know what I'm saying? So let me know down below, what do you guys look for in creams and butters? Moisture or definition? And which twisting or styling cream is your favorite. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Remember to let your spirit, soul, and hair stay lifted like an Afro puff, and subscribe down below to my world so you don't miss any more videos from me, including the last installment for this week. It is going to be going over my favorite gels. Stay tuned for tomorrow, and if you do, then I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.